Did you know? You stay in relationships because you fear starting over, not because you're in love. Let's be brutally honest for a moment. If your relationship feels heavy, stagnant, or just plain wrong, but you can't bring yourself to leave, you need to hear this. This isn't just an opinion, it's a measurable psychological phenomenon. It's called the sunk cost fallacy. We look at the years spent, the holidays shared, the money invested in that joint apartment, and we think, I can't let all that time and effort go to waste. You're treating your relationship like a bad investment. You wouldn't pour more money into a stock you know is failing, but we do this with our hearts all the time, justifying a bad fit with past commitment. Why is starting over so terrifying? It's not just about losing them. It's about losing the comfort and the identity you built around them. The fear of the grind. Having to go back on the dating apps, having those awkward first dates, and navigating a confusing modern dating world. The fear of a loss of identity. You are no longer part of a couple. You have to rebuild your weekend plans, your friend groups, and even how your family sees you. The fear of being alone. This is the big one. We confuse being alone with being lonely. We fear the silence, the emptiness, and the perceived failure of having to stand on our own 2 feet. When you stay out of fear, you pay a steep emotional price. First, you erode your self-trust. You know what you want, but you choose comfort over conviction. Your inner voice gets quieter and quieter. Second, you deny both of you real happiness. By occupying this space, you prevent your partner from finding someone who truly loves them, and you prevent yourself from finding a relationship that actually feels vibrant and fulfilling. You're essentially freezing time in a mediocre place because you're scared of the transition. Here is the single question that cuts through all the fear and attachment. Ask yourself this honestly. If you met this person today, knowing everything you know now, would you actively fight to start a relationship with them? If your answer is anything but an immediate, resounding yes, then you are living in the past. Use the fear as fuel. The fear of starting over is huge, but the regret of wasting years is infinitely worse. Give yourself permission to choose the path of temporary pain for the sake of long-term joy. If this made you rethink your situation, hit the like button and share your thoughts.